Hello there, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today is very exciting day because it is the start of our daily Zentangle Art Challenge. So if you're not sure what I'm talking about, make sure to go watch my previous video where I have explained everything. The video is linked in the description box. So without further ado, let's pull out the first prompt. Oh wow, we got a yellow one. So let's see what's our first prompt. Okay, our very first prompt is to do Zentangle art in a fruit. It's kind of interesting and easy as well, so I have decided to draw an apple and I'm starting off with the outlines. And later on I will be doing some designs inside the apple. Thanks for watching. I hope you all enjoyed this video, and when you subscribe my channel, it means a lot to me. It gives me motivation, so do not forget to subscribe my channel.